So I'm going to show you a Runner app that I use, and it's called Runner. It's downloadable. There's a free download via the Android market. There is also a paid application, paid version for this application. Launching the running application, this is just the main screen where you can start your runs. You can start a live track so people can log on to a website and watch you and see how fast you're going. Look at recent tracks and then compare. And the all tracks is if you have paid for the app, you can compare yourself to other runners as well as look at all the tracks that you have uploaded. I can just hit start and it pulls up just the category, whether it's running. I can create a biking or a walking profile, and gives me the location, which I can change. Event, it could be, so when I run the Cellcom Marathon, I'll have one in here and I'll title it the Cellcom Half Marathon. And when I hit go, it changes the screen and starts recording, so it's going to look for my GPS. So when you get a good signal, this starts to turn around. It changes from red to yellow to green, and so this is the main screen. It starts to track my movement. It obviously will tell me, you know, my distance, the duration, so I can look at this real time and find out what my pace is and altitude and so on and so forth. The nice thing is, for example, even on Saturday my shoe came untied, so I can pause and tie my shoe and then resume. When I'm finished, I can confirm, and then it loads it, and if I open this up, it gives me my start, finish time, my average speed, my max speed, average pace, which is really nice. And then another tab up here is I can display this on a map. So this was along the Fox River Trail, just uses Google Map. And one of the fun features is I can play this back and it will track where I ran, how fast I was going. I can speed this up if I want. So you kind of got an idea there. And then there's some charting on here that it does too, which it charts how long I ran, and then there's a nice chart of the altitude change. I can upload this by pressing menu and upload. It uploads the track to the server, and then there's a whole social interaction with this application that allows me to compare my run against other people in my area or other runners in general. And then it also records my personal bests. So over the course of any one of my runs, I can view and see if I broke my mile time or my 5K time or my 10K, which is kind of neat.